Oh, sorry, I asked some stuff on the whiteboard.
Okay. Yeah, so, okay. Yeah, so basically, my plan is to try to start a Rust Chinese book reading corner. So I have some Rust book, and so maybe I just introduce myself. I'm actually now an intern for a China company. So this is the China company. So actually I was a software tester. So I thought of I need a real Rust work job experience. So I think I consider internship. So actually I'm under this man Zhang Han, is actually the author for that Rust book in Chinese. So currently the project I'm working on is Rubiks. It's actually a matrix check client. So it's actually a work in progress project. So I actually I see whatever issues are there and I try to solve. So I just recently did read receipt. Yeah. So what a matrix is check client is like a Mastodian, something like that. Yeah. So the SDK. And the client SDK is written in Rust. So and it works well. So we are using the makepad UI to do it. So mostly on makepad. Have you heard of makepad? Yeah, it's very new. Cross-platform UI GUI framework. It's written in Rust and it supports partial life compiling through DSL. As you know, compiling in Rust is a bit slow. So there's a little bit of element of hot reload certain DSL stuff. And actually it's trying to rival Flutter. That's what the developers told me. So
I have another front end application framework.
Yeah.
It's not web application framework that is written in Rust. Yeah.
Yeah. So basically, I'm under this educational company. So this is the founder of the company. So as you know, they do operating system courses. It's in Mandarin. So over the years, they see a rise in number of applicants. So basically starting the course is totally free, and then because operating system is very difficult, right? So there will be dropouts, so it's understandable. And they try to help people to look for a job. Yeah.
Is this an online course or?
Online course. So over here, maybe I try to interest you in some Chinese. So yes, So database 数据竞争 then the struct is 数据属性. Yeah. So these are not really.
I did see there's someone who tried to implement one macros so he can make some sort of language in Chinese.
Because I also hope there's more Singaporean Chinese that can go China and give talks because and then learning Chinese is very good. Nowadays the China companies can hire as young as 16-year-old person programming and it's able to get the call quick. You HTTP 3 protocol. So learning Chinese will help us. So single thread 单线程 async thread 异步线程. So Rust ownership 所有权. So string and if you are borrowing a string is the ampersand str. Okay. And enum is 枚举 lifetime 生命周期. So these are more towards Rust concept. Macro home. Then generic is 范型. So basically generics the T is generic. So match is the error handling 错误. So the Rust Chinese book reading club corner, maybe it's somebody's house, maybe I ask my friend to open up. or library, because now I also work remotely, so I can bring the books, and if you want to read, it's okay. Maybe 1 to 5 people. So the session won't be any like PowerPoint sharing. There won't be any slides. So currently I have 3 Rust books with me. So maybe there will be something like in the future watching the Rust China conference together. So now, although you don't know like Mandarin, but nowadays there's app that you can like open it up and look at the video, and then there's an auto translation and stuff like that. Maybe that will interest people. Yeah, so maybe we sign up through the Google form. So currently I'm on makepad and plus GENUI. Maybe I can do it. This GENUI is it's actually it's a China person who designed. Because makepad is a bit hard to use, hard to write. So they have some. Basically, you write something like it's called .gen file. It's something like HTML plus JavaScript, and then you can like produce clean source code and makepad source code. Basically, that's it. I think maybe I just do a quick demo. I'm not sure whether, but. Yeah. So basically the .gen file looks something like this. Unfortunately there's no like language syntax highlighting here. It looks something like HTML. And let's say I change something here. So basically like this label 2, right? I change to label 2, I change to label 3. Let's see if it works. Yeah, now label 3. Yeah, so it helps because like you generate source code. The source code will look something like this. Let's say the button. Yeah, unfortunately it's like it generates single line. So it sometimes helps me to make because I actually spend like maybe one or 2 days trying to create like a row of buttons, and this actually helps.
So is this a templating system that you embed Rust into HTML?
It's something like that. It's to help you to learn how to use write makepad source code. Yeah, I think got people actually did like using GENUI to actually do a usable website. Yeah, but it's maybe like I think AWS login or out or something like that. So that kind of thing. So okay, then currently so behind I run 2 processes. One is the GENUI, the source code generator, and the other one is the makepad. And you can see that changing the word instantly changed the makepad. So it's a line conflict. Okay, so also maybe I also like to talk about Gosim China. Yeah, so here's the QR code. So basically Gosim is organizing in Beijing lah. So 17 to 18, and that's Rust programming is a big topic. Yeah, so I think that's pretty much it. I also did some games actually for Android. Yeah, currently I'm not showing now, but the game rendering iOS is like this. It's actually using by assembly. So you write code, generate games in web assembly, and you can run platform and cloud. I think that's all. So correct. So over here, free end because it's about 8:45 we have to leave. Yeah, so kindly pack your stuff and make a move. And we can chat outside. Yeah.
Thanks.
Thank you.